lovely beings around the world. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. Have you ever had that? That you hear of your friends and you look what others are doing and then you make the same and then you realize it was totally wrong and you feel not good with it? Dear friends, I wish that you could trust totally yourself. Just trust what you're doing. Trust your beliefs. Trust in you. It is like an attitude. We can believe, yes, everything what I'm doing is good. And then it turns out good. Or we can believe everything what I'm doing is bad. Then it will be not good. See, so often we are comparing with others. And then what we try to do is that we want, for example, we want to cook exactly like Mrs. X. And we put the same ingredients as Mrs. X. And we use the same pots as Mrs. X. And we do it exactly like her. The same thing. But when you taste, Mrs. X soup is more better than my soup. Why is it like that? It is that we do not believe in it. Because what Mrs. X does in her soup is she put a portion of her intent inside this soup, and that's why it tastes so beautiful. So we can also have this belief that whatever I'm doing is good. Yes, it is like today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Is it? Today's a great day, I'm happy. And within that minute, you feel it. You feel it is true. You are true. So, my little suggestion today for you is compare with yourself. Compare only with yourself. Compare with your inner self, your inner creative being, which is beyond your perishable body. It was yesterday, and it is today, and it will be tomorrow. So connect with that part of you and compare with this. Compare only with yourself and trust yourself completely. You can say in the morning, I trust myself, I trust myself, I trust myself. I believe in me. I believe in me. I believe in me. You can do that, isn't it? It's easy. In that way, I wish you a wonderful day ahead. And if you like that video, then you subscribe. And also, if you go to happysoulpainting.com, there are more freebies and exclusive goodies waiting for you unadvertised to the public. Have a very special day.